Okay, I have been using a new shampoo and conditioner that I've sort of kept on the DL, but I wanted to use it for about a month to make sure that it works, that it's not frying my hair, and that it's good enough to suggest to you guys. All right, secrets out. I've been using the Vegamour GRO Revitalizing Shampoo and matching Revitalizing Conditioner, and I top everything off with the GRO Hair Serum. So I test out my share of hair products, and I don't share a lot of them with you guys because I find a lot of them just aren't up to snuff. I get a lot of shampoo and conditioner sets, and without fail, the shampoos always strip my hair and the conditioners are always too wimpy. A lot of these hair care brands just, I feel, don't understand black hair, and they most certainly do not understand relaxed hair. So usually I'll receive hair care products, I look at the ingredients, and then I decide whether or not they're good enough to use on my own hair. I stay away from products that contain a whole ton of protein because my hair is protein sensitive, and I just find that no matter how little time I leave on protein heavy conditioners, my hair just feels crunchy and terrible. So when Vegamour gifted me these products, I immediately got to researching. I know that it's a super popular brand, and frankly, I wanted to know what the Vega in Vegamour stood for, so now I know that it is a vegan-friendly brand, and that the GRO line is specifically formulated for those struggling with thinning hair. Now, thinning hair isn't really a problem for me, but I was blown away by these products, mainly because they are so thick, rich, and supremely moisturizing and hydrating. The only shampoo that I want stripping my hair is a good clarifying shampoo once a month. Not like a lot of these shampoos that strip my hair like just by me looking at the bottle. So Vegamour contains a really interesting ingredient called carmatin, and this is a vegan keratin alternative that helps to strengthen strands. The GRO line also promises to set the foundation for thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair, strengthens hair to reduce breakage, yes, and softens, nourishes, and adds shine. And that's for sure. Every time I wash my hair, I am just blown away. I've also been flat ironing after I use these products, and my hair is so shiny, so soft. I can get my fingers through it. I absolutely love it. All right, I'm gonna wash my hair for you guys. I will show you my updated hair wash routine, and you guys can see the products in action for yourselves. Okay, we're gonna wash out this hair with the Vegamour GRO Revitalizing Shampoo. I typically wash my hair 3 times in a row, but I'm just doing twice here for the interest of time. It lathers really well and leaves my hair feeling clean and not stripped. Now I've applied the conditioner, and I'm gonna sit with the heat cap on for 20 minutes. Now I am washing out the conditioner. I am so sorry that for some reason I forgot to hit record and I didn't record the conditioner application, but trust me, it is thick, rich, moisturizing, hydrating. The slip is beautiful. It gets all the tangles out in a breeze. Absolutely lovely set of products. Okay, so I just washed and deep conditioned my hair. I left the conditioner on my hair and put the heat cap on for 20 minutes. And then I rinsed out the conditioner. You guys saw all of that. And now the next steps of my hair wash process. So we have got Olaplex number 6, one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. I just feel like this leave-in conditioner treatment has really strengthened up my hair. I've been using it for about 2 years now. And here we have my ride or die favorite of all time leave-in conditioner, Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. I don't know what magic they put in this stuff, but my hair just loves it, and the comb glides through my hair when I use it. All right, and now I'm gonna comb out my hair and then go sit out in the sun for it to air dry. Hi everyone, so I'm back. I finished washing my hair, deep conditioning it, using the new Vegamour products that I got, and the results are beautiful. So as I mentioned, the Vegamour GRO Revitalizing Shampoo, it didn't strip my hair. I adore the shine that it gives. I will admit that every time I try new shampoo and new conditioner, I feel like I've had a hair transplant. It feels like I have brand new hair. So maybe we can attribute a little of the bounce and shininess to mixing up your hair products. I know lots of us out here experience the same thing. It's like this amazing phenomenon when you try new hair products and it feels like it resuscitates your hair, but yeah, I am really loving this line. So the shampoo didn't leave my hair feeling stripped and dried out when I washed it in the shower. And I showed you guys how thick, rich, and creamy the conditioner is. I forgot to mention that it smells like orangey vanilla. It smells so incredible. Like every time I move my hair, I get this blast of citrusy vanilla and I am loving it. Vegamour also sent me their Grow. This is their biotin gummies for hair growth. You guys saw they're heart-shaped and adorable. See, how cute are these? They taste really, really good too. They're like candies. I look forward to taking them in the morning. You guys know I am all about scalp health lately. I did a video about this recently, so super thankful to Vegamour for sending their Grow hair serum. So I only started using this about a week ago. You're supposed to use it daily for optimal results, and you can use it straight on your dry or your towel dried scalp. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I add a little to the part and then I go throughout the hair like so. And then I would typically use my scalp massager to massage it in. I've been doing these daily scalp massages and that is self-care. That is like top tier self-care. I absolutely love it. It's totally relaxing and it's a really nice way to start the day. You know, I'm gonna do an updated video on my like daily routine, but I love a good morning routine. I really do think it's key to setting up the day, and my scalp massage has become a part of that. We just redid our backyard too, so I'll have my coffee out on the patio and I will take my scalp stuff out there, add it to my scalp and massage my head out there, and it's lovely. Like, it's fresh and beautiful in the morning, the sun is shining, I have my coffee, the birds are chirping, and I am massaging my scalp. I swear it is the best. And like, I swear a scalp massage gives you the most amazing volume. I am loving this. I swear to God, my hair looks incredible. This is awesome. I curled out the layers. I didn't do a great job, so I've got these wings, but I don't care. This hair looks good. Honestly, look at that. My hair, it's been really happy lately. I've been minimizing the heat. I've been doing the scalp massages. I have been drinking a ton of water, doing lots of wash and goes with my favorite protective style, the low bun. So I think my hair's been really happy and I am thrilled that it's looking great. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Let me know if you go out and try out all the Vegamour stuff. I would love to get your take on these products. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram, TikTok. I am here for you. You can go ahead and join my Facebook group, the Style Domination Relaxed Hair Society. There's lots of relaxed hair girlies and a few guys in the group that trade their secrets and tips, you name it. I have learned a lot from the group members. It is fantastic. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm at dominique.baker. I'm also on TikTok at Dominique Baker Official, and check out my blog at styledomination.com. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.